Here's a live look at the UND Atmospheric Sciences sky cam at 3:45 p.m. on a Sunday. We got some wind rolling into the valley in Grand Forks at this hour. Wind 35 miles per hour out of the northwest, gusts of 48 miles per hour. Tonight, blustery, chance of snow, then mostly clear, low of 9 degrees tonight. That chance of snow expected to end this evening, just not much of it. Monday, sunny, high of 22. Tuesday, high of 31, partly sunny. Wednesday, mostly sunny, high of 33. And Thursday, high of 34, partly sunny. So a pretty good week ahead, but windy out there coming up on this Sunday evening, and a chance of some snow rolling into the valley. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.